If you're looking for a way to add a chase light, brake light, and reverse light to the back of your vehicle, Diode just came out with something pretty cool. This is the new SS10 LED Chase Light, and instead of being just another chase light, Diode built a few different functions into this one light bar. So let's hook it up on the bench and take a look at what it can actually do. Right away, you can see that this is a pretty compact light. The SS10 uses a 3-in-1 design, giving you a yellow chase light, a red brake light, and a white reverse light, all in one housing. And we're going to go through each of those functions so you can see how they work. Let's start with the chase light. The main feature of the SS10 is obviously the yellow chase light. It uses a high output yellow flood beam, which is designed to make your vehicle much more visible from behind. And this isn't just one flashing pattern. The SS10 has 20 different chase patterns that you can choose from, and changing between those patterns is actually really simple. Diode includes this little magnetic tool with the light. With the chase function powered on, you simply bring the magnet up to the designated programming area on the light. Each time you tap it, it cycles to the next pattern. So you can go through all 20 options and find whichever pattern you like best. Once you find the one you want, the light remembers that setting, so you don't have to reprogram it every time you turn it on. And that programming isn't just for the chase function. The SS10 also has a built-in brake light. When the brake function is activated, the light switches to red, and you have 3 different brake light modes to choose from. You've got a solid brake light, a triple flash safety strobe mode, and a slower pulsing mode that's intended more for off-road use. So depending on how you want to use the light, you can choose the behavior that makes the most sense for your setup. And then there's one more really useful feature built into this light, the reverse light. The SS10 has a dedicated high output white reverse light built right into the housing. This gives you additional light behind the vehicle when you're backing up, which can be especially useful off-road or when you're trying to maneuver around the campsite at night. And the reverse function can be wired directly into your vehicle's reverse signal, so it can automatically turn on when you put the vehicle in reverse. You can also use that input for other applications depending on how you wire the light. Speaking of wiring, the SS10 uses a really straightforward signal-based setup. You've got separate inputs for the brake, reverse, and chase functions, along with your ground. The chase function can be connected to a switch panel, or auxiliary controller, while the brake and reverse functions can be tied into the factory vehicle signals. One popular wire hookup location is the 7-pin trailer wiring. And because you're dealing with multiple functions in one light, you don't need a separate light for each of those jobs. That's really what makes the SS10 interesting. It's not just a chase light. You're getting 3 different lighting functions in one compact package. As far as the construction goes, the SS10 is IP69K rated, so it's designed to handle some pretty harsh conditions. It also has been tested for things like vibration, moisture, intrusion, corrosion, and extreme temperatures. So this isn't something that's designed just to look cool sitting on the back of your truck. It's built to actually be used. The light also comes with mounting brackets, hardware, a 3-meter extension cable, zip ties, and the magnet tool for programming. So you've got pretty much everything you need to get this light mounted and wired into your vehicle. And because of the compact size and adjustable mounting options, there are a bunch of different ways that you can use this. A roof rack, a bed rack, a roll bar, the back of an SUV, or even as a replacement or addition to the factory 3rd brake light, depending on the vehicle and mounting setup. So after seeing everything this light can do, I think the biggest takeaway with the SS10 is versatility. You've got a programmable yellow chase light with 20 different patterns, 3 different brake light modes, a dedicated white reverse light, and everything is packaged into one small light. And because all of those functions are built into the same light, you don't have to find room for multiple lights on the back of your vehicle. It's one clean package that can handle multiple jobs. This is the new Diode SS10 LED Chase Light. We'll be installing one on a vehicle so you can see exactly how it looks and works once it's mounted up. But for a compact chase light that also gives you brake and reverse functionality, there's a lot going on here. If you guys like this video, make sure to hit the like button. If you want to see us install this on a future build, make sure to hit the subscribe button for that future video. If you want to grab one of these for your Toyota, make sure to head over to our website, yodaexpedition.com. We'll see you guys in the next one.